It's getting colder. Some of the plants that we've got are going to need some protection. If you've got a greenhouse, it's ideal to actually insulate it, and then you can put the plants in to protect them. One of the things that is really good for this sort of job is this bubble plastic. You can get either large bubbles or small ones. This is a smaller version. And then what you do is you actually fasten it up. You can use these clips, and that fits into the wall or the frame of the greenhouse, and then you actually put the bubble wrap on, and then that holds it in place. And then the thing is that because you've got that length of stem, you've got a bigger air cavity, and so you get better insulation. The other thing is that if you treat it a bit like the loft in your house, you don't really want all the heat going up there and then escaping out. So what you do is you can actually put wires along so that you don't actually insulate up to the ridge. You want the insulation where the plants are going to be, which is down here. So you're actually keeping the heat in, and let's face it, heating is not cheap these days. So you do that, and then you make sure that when you've got a decent overlap and you've got it all together, if you finish off by having a curtain, the door outside there, so that once the door's closed, and it's weighted with a piece of wood at the bottom so that it hangs, and then you've got the insulation complete, and it does mean that the plants get a fair degree of protection without having to put any heat in. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.